Why girls get education? Education empowers girls and helps them in life. Can education change a person? Yes, education improves knowledge and character. Why is girls' education important? Girls' education is important because educated girls will educated and are to society. How does girls' education help society? Girls' education helps society by reducing poverty and improving health and life. What is the role of an education woman in a family? In educated women plays an important logic children properly. What does Islam say about girls' education? Islam is educated for girls. Very good and proud. You have answered